Hi, and welcome to JobPro Technology's Adding a Resource tutorial. This video is meant solely for training purposes. We want to go through the process of adding a resource and entering in information on your resource's time rates. Adding pay and time rates to resources allows you to schedule and pay your resources in a more efficient manner. So let's go ahead and get started. First, we want to make sure the time rate types are properly set up in our system. Go to the Settings drop-down and select Configure Time Rate Types. Some of the most common time rate types are hourly, prevailing wage, and overtime. But you can configure your system any way you would like. Once we've ensured that our time rate types are exactly how we want them, click Save. Now we're ready to add our resource. Step 1. Go to the Add drop-down and select Resource. Step 2. Begin typing in the resource's name. Here you can assign it a title, you can pick which office they come out of, and you can assign them a pay type if necessary. You don't have to, that's optional. When all the information is ready, click Submit. On the bottom right hand side, there are fields that need to be filled out. If you'll scroll down to where it says Settings, you'll see an active slider, a job assignee slider, and a salesperson slider. If they're an installer, turn the job assignee slider to Yes. If they're a salesperson, turn the salesperson to Yes. If they're not, do the opposite. For the purposes of the training tutorial, we'll show you the job assignee. Now you're ready to assign time rate types. Scroll back up and select Time Rates. Here is where you will fill out their time rate information. If your employee makes $15 an hour, simply type 15 in the regular or hourly time rate type. You can fill these out as necessary. You will have to do this for each employee so that their time rate types are installed and input correctly into JobPro. This allows you to pay your resources in an efficient manner. Once you move tabs, it will save. So that's about it for updating your resources' time rate types. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 704-584-4019 or send an email to support@jobprotech.com. Thanks for watching.